Hello there, everybody, and guess what? I'm back for another Blizzard Treats review. This time, it's the Oreo Blizzard. Yep, made out of Oreo cookies. Mmm. And boy, it's gonna be really yummy. So anyways, here's the Blizzard. So let's give this a try. Yummy. It tastes like Oreo cookies. Very yummy. Yummy. Delicious. So anyways, guys, what do you think about the Oreo Blizzard treat? Let me know what you think in the comments below, and feel free to subscribe to my channel for more videos, and give a big thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. That will help me out a lot, and stay tuned for more videos in the future. So anyways, thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more, and I'll see you later. Bye.